Hi, this is Divya on behalf of expertvillage.com. Now let this cook for a while. And I think the potatoes are ready. As you can see them turning brown, a nice brown color. So let us take this out. Now the curry is even looking better than before. After adding all these spices, a nice red color is coming. Make sure when you're taking out these potatoes, you don't burn your hand. Take a safe, make yourself comfortable and take a safe distance from the pan which you're using. The potatoes are ready. Keep them aside. Now let's have a look at the curry part. Okay, the color looks good.